in the hope of understanding what it is you do, I think it's good to also understand the pros and cons of certain elements of development.
Sure.
So we thought we'd run through a couple of the benefits and drawbacks to certain parts of the development industry. And I thought we'd start with land. What would be, in your head, just a brief benefit and what the drawbacks are to purchasing land for someone at home?
I suppose with everything, it comes down to your particular lifestyle choices at a point in time. So, certainly the benefits of land, you have a lot more freedoms. You get to choose your home. Mm-hmm. You get to choose, in fact, your block of land, where you want to sit within that particular development. You get to choose how you improve your land, whether you put a swimming pool in the backyard or, build a beautiful barbecue or whatever else it might be. So the drawbacks are, yes, you have to mow the lawn every couple of weeks, or at least pay somebody to mow the lawn every couple of weeks, upkeep the garden, and there's continuous maintenance after a period of time, depending on the sort of finishes that you've put into your home.
So the land, you would say, would be the blank canvas, so you have the flexibility to do what it is you want to do.
Yes.
But you don't have the value of having a painting finished.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Excellent.
That's exactly right. And you've got to go through the process. I mean, land is just goes hand in glove with house and land.
Yeah.
So then you might secure your block of land, but then you've got the process, if you like, of having to then choose your home and go through that whole building process.